Meet Ardell One-Step Gel Polish, combining base, color, and top coat all in a single swipe. Let's get into the easy application steps using the Ardell One-Step Gel Starter Kit in Venetian Red. First, you'll want to set up your space. Ensure your nails are completely dry and clean from any products. When working with nail products, nail prep is key to ensuring a long-lasting manicure. Make sure nails are filed to the desired length and shape, buff the surface to remove oils and shine, and wipe the nail surface with a manicure prep pad to remove debris and to dehydrate nails. This will help to lock in the adhesion once the gel is applied and cured. After prepping the nails, you're ready for application. When applying one-step gel, it's important to work in thin layers. This allows for even light penetration during the curing process. The precision cut brush hugs the natural curvature of the nail plate, so you can get close enough to the cuticle line without flooding the cuticle space. Make sure to cap or seal the free edge of the nails before or after applying each layer, as this also prevents the gel from chipping or lifting. If the gel polish should touch the cuticle space, make sure to clean with an editing tool before curing. Always clean your work, as this can prevent the gel from lifting. After applying gel on all nails, the polish can be cured for 60 to 90 seconds with any UV LED lamp. It is recommended to cure thumbnails separately. Repeat the application and curing process until the desired level of coverage is achieved. Once fully cured, you're good to go. Ardell One-Step Gel cures to a glossy finish without leaving a tacky layer. Just long-lasting shine, optimal color payoff, and beautiful nails in minutes.